So a view is a group of elements assembled for use in a particular display context. So the examples are homepage promo, call to action banner, category page, a catalog, article promo box, a tooltip, alert modal, email. All of those are different ways that content can be rendered. In our view, that the word views should also apply to any markup rendering as well, which includes anything that will be consumed by robots. So when we're creating views, we're looking at a way to design the content's consumption by humans and robots. The same thing with our content model. It's for humans and robots. When we put those two mindsets together, we have the building blocks for a truly comprehensive content model, and not one that's just representing what a page looks like, that we're using to help to interact with designers. That's important. We need to model websites. We need to model content domains that are meant for limited consumption scenarios.